Experience a weekend with Iberians. In the far southeast of the Serra Grossa, between the Costera and Valdealba, in an extraordinary and landscape environment, is the Iberian town of La Bastida de les Alcusses. The archaeological investigation that has been carried out for over 80 years hasn't only allowed us to know, in detail, the daily lives of the people who inhabited this place during the 4th century BC, but also opened the site to the public all year long. During a whole weekend, the Prehistoric Museum of the Deputation of Valencia and the City Council of Moixent will organize a very special event, bring back to life the town 2,300 years later, with characters that will interact with visitors.
Molt bé, heu arribat justet a temps per la celebració de la barema, Però abans heu de passar per casa dels pares. La nostra mare porta 2 nits sense dormir pensant en la vostra arribada.
Molt bé.
I a tu t'ha fet un collar de perles, l'avi, espectacular.
Que bonic.
Però no aneu molt ben vestits,
No?
No,
Ui.
no aneu de festa. Anem a intentar-ho arreglar aprofitant que està aquí aquest comerciant.
Thus, the public will become, during the time of the visit, the protagonists of a story, like authentic Iberian that participate in diverse daily aspects with traders, warriors, peasants, aristocrats, and where there are plenty of surprises, good humor, food and drink while they learn about the Iberian culture.
Aquestes fustes seques. No podem donar joc a la planta i després al fruit. Però em va dir, tinc paciència, que en els vostres camps i la cura adequada tindreu la planta i més endavant el raïm desitjat.
During the tour, the current excavation area is accessed, where experts show the methods of archaeological work, some of the objects found, and the treatments given in the laboratory.
Àmfores. Això són fragments d'àmfora com les que heu vist en aquestes cases. Això són els containers que van anar en els ferris per tot el món. Això són els containers de fa 2.400 anys.
This is where it's explained that the historical representation that has been featured is based on the archaeological work. Furthermore, using the original parts from the excavation, some peculiarities of the society of the past is explained.
La porta està tancada ara mateixa, per què? Perquè n'hi ha uns pistons, 3 en aquest cas, de fusta, que impedeixen que el pastell se puga córrer. Però els cibers gastaven ja claus, inclús n'hi ha de metall, estan en aquest cas de fusta, i a través d'un moviment molt simple, clavar la clau i pujar els pistons amb la clau, el pastell podia córrer.
La Bastida de les Alcusses is located in the heart of the youngest and vibrant vineyard in Valencia. The Association of Producers and Wine Growers, Terres dels Alforins, work together these days opening wineries, some of them centuries old, in which they produce their fine wines. The visiting days in the Bastida de les Alcusses are ultimately an encounter with society, which contributes to the natural heritage value and historic remains. Under the motto Experience a Weekend with the Iberians, a special proposal of entertainment and culture in an unique landscape in which the past has a future is offered.